So this is how we can trim a YouTube video after upload by using the Android. Let's get started, and if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, the thing is that you can do this very easily on a computer. It's a great feature which is part of the YouTube app on the desktop, right? But if you want to do it on the Android phone, the way that it would work is that you don't use the Studio app which you downloaded, because if you, of course, you can go through it, but the feature is not there. So yeah, the best way is to go through a web browser and look up the YouTube Studio in it there. But the chances are that if you click on it through the link, it's going to open it inside of the YouTube Studio app. So I would at least temporarily uninstall it so we can stay within the web version, and that way you can get inside and open up the exact same UI that you can find on the desktop, right? And you can see that you can get to the videos as such, normally. And in the left panel, you have like the editing tools and analytics and all of that. And you can click on the video tools as such, and you can apply and edit the elements on the timelines. Here, you're going to click on Get Started, and you can use all of the different things which you also have available on the desktop, and you can like trim out some of the parts of the clip, right? So you can see that we can add the trim and a cut, and decide where exactly you do this. So you're going to cut out some parts of the video, of course. So let me know if you managed to find it on your device. That's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'm going to talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.